علينا من تنيئات الوداع وجب.
Thank you. The Attorney General and Minister for Economy, Ayaz Syed Qayyum. The Minister for Commerce, Trade, Tourism and Transport, Fayaz Koya. The President of the Monatal Islam Association of Fiji, Sheikh Mohammed, who's come all the way from Pennsylvania, USA, and members of the Monatal Islam Association. Assalamu alaikum. Bula Binaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. I hope everyone is having a blessed and restful long weekend. It is a real joy to be with you, to be with your community this afternoon. This past Friday, you joined millions around the world in celebrating the birth and life of the Prophet Muhammad. Peace be upon him. Your country and fellow citizens shared that day with you as we all reflected on the life of the Prophet, one of history's greatest thinkers. The virtues that he extolled, those of respect, peace, unity, justice, charity, and compassion, are universal guiding virtues for people of all cultural, ethnic, and religious backgrounds who have sought peace and progress over thousands of years, just as they guide Fijians today. We live by these virtues. We live by these values, secure in the knowledge that our Fijian identity is not the realm of a single religion, single province, background, or ethnicity. Our national character transcends these boundaries. This was never more clearly on display than during the dark days of the COVID pandemic. We overcame that experience through unity, and we have come out more resilient than ever before. We proved then that Fiji's strength as a nation can be measured by the care and compassion we show our fellow Fijians. If we keep sight of these commonalities, if we seek to deepen the bonds that exist between us, we will continue to advance our nation and our people towards a brighter future. As we look forward towards our Fiji Day celebrations tomorrow, I hope to see you all in Churchill Park. We will do more than mark 52 years of history. We will celebrate the inclusive and united Fiji we have forged today, a change we undertook and achieved in our recent history that I will do everything possible to see preserved through all the years ahead. As the Muslims of the world believe, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, lived a life worthy of emulation. He was a model for how to improve the world through our interactions with others, even in the simplest of ways. Even a smile, he said, is a charity. He showed us we should be gentle in our speech and manner, that we should care for the vulnerable and extend compassion to all in our lives, from our parents, our spouses, and children to the sick, the orphaned, and those struck by misfortune, and to our neighbors whom we must ensure are able to eat before we eat. For he believed we are all sisters and brothers in humanity and should care for each other as such. And he preached that we should reason and find solutions instead of acting in anger and antagonizing others. He taught his followers to stand up against injustice and racism in all of its ugly forms. These are values any decent person would uphold. And when we put these basic lessons into practice, we will not only be better as individuals. Fijian society will be even more peaceful and just, and Fiji, the country we love, will be stronger. Thank you for having me with you this afternoon. God bless you all, and God bless Fiji. And I hope you all have a wonderful Fiji Day. Thank you.